SuNPe invested two new big Haitian injection molding machines to meet customers' needs for large parts production. Within the day, we got the machine set up in place, and a 10 tons of bridge crane has been installed as well. It helps to equip with big tools. This 450-ton machine can load maximum mold size of 780 by 1150 millimeters, with maximum injection part weight 1,692 grams. And for this 300-ton machine, it can load maximum mold size of 660 by 950 millimeters, with maximum injection part weight 771 grams. These two machines adopt intelligent mold control system, which makes production runs more smoothly and efficiently. With such big tonnage injection molding machines, SuNPe can greatly meet the diverse needs of large plastic part manufacturing, such as automotive, home appliance, consumer electronics, and artificial intelligence. Everything is ready. Let's go for production. If you have any projects for injection molding, please feel free to contact us.